Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I achieved this gorgeous extra long ponytail with 12 inches hair. This is the attachment I'm going to be using as my base. Yes, this is the attachment I'm going to be using. I'm just picking the attachment. After I finish picking the attachment, I'm going to be brushing it out just to detangle it, to make it soft and very smooth looking. After I finish braiding it down, then I'll start gluing it. It's not a must for you to glue yours. You can actually sew it down with a needle and thread if you want to use the weave again, if you want to reuse the weave again. This is one of my old weaves, so I don't think I want to use this weave again because I just kept it inside. I didn't use it for a very long time, so just using it to form a very lovely ponytail that I can rock anytime. So now I'll start gluing the hair on this braid I did, just gluing it in a circular motion. Can see you just keep doing that. You just keep doing that. You glue it in a circular motion till you reach the top. So I will allow you guys to keep on watching. Very easy to achieve. This didn't even take me up to 40 minutes to achieve. Very easy and very fast to achieve. And the main reason why I love this method is that I can actually throw this on anytime I just pack my hair up or back. I can throw it on. You can wash it. So I will start redoing my ponytail again. So I already have the ponytail one side. Anytime I just want to feel the vibe, look good, I'll just take the ponytail and throw it on back. We are at the top now. I just keep doing the same method I started from the beginning. I keep doing it. I keep doing it. Now I'm done. So let's revive the coils. These are things I'm going to be using: olive oil mousse, olive oil sheen, and olive oil weave oil. I'm just spraying it with a water first. Then after that, I'll start applying those things I showed you. So now let's rock the ponytail on. Oh my god, I really made a mistake when I was laying down my hair. I used a lot of got-to-be gel at the middle, so it left some white look on my hair, but later I fixed it by applying water and oil to it. So that is just what happened. Just let's ignore that white part. Let's just focus on this ponytail. So after I finish putting the ponytail on, then I'll wrap it with a color 1B hair, because the weave I use is color 1B. So I don't want to take out of the hair I fixed on that ponytail. So that is why I'm using this extension color 1B. I'll just use it to cover that top side. I'll wrap it, then keep on wrapping it. That's all. I really love how long this ponytail looked like. I really love the length of this ponytail. It's giving me that vibe. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to click the like button, subscribe, comment down below, support your girl by please clicking on the like button. If you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of hair tutorial, makeup. I make my daughter's hair. If you find my channel interesting, kindly please support me by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao. Love you. Mwah.